Hi y'all, today we did a little bit of work on the backyard stairs. These steps were the steps that came with our house that were supposed to be temporary steps, and we've had them since 2014. So yeah, 4.5, 5 years we've had those steps back there, and they're just done. They were done. So Billy and I finally carved out the time today to do something about them. We've been able to go so long without having to do anything about them because we don't really use this back door that often. The most use these stairs really get is just from our pets. Our cat and our dog use the little doggy door there to come in and out, and that's pretty much it. We use the old stairs right there to help prop up the deck so we could get it all nice and leveled out. Nothing rednecky about that setup at all. And Billy was actually able to bring home this deck from a job that he was working, so that was a really good score for us. So just a quick little project that we worked on today that made a huge difference. It's just nice to be able to do something, do a project, and call it done in a day. Until next time, thanks for watching.